guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly291, and if this is your first time, then welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I actually part and separate my hair for me to do protective hairstyles. And I'm actually going to be reviewing a crochet passion twist. And so I wanted to just, give you a short video on how I actually separate my hair for this crochet passion twist. So I will link the actual passion twist video, and I have some passion twist hairstyle videos. I will link all of that up here or in the description, but let's just get into the video. My hair has been washed and blown out. To accomplish this tutorial, you will need a comb with a pick or pointy end, the Black and Lovely jam gel or anything of your suiting, and some elastic bands or rubber bands. First, I use the end of the comb or the pick of the comb to make a horizontal part in the lower back portion of my hair. I'm gonna place 4 sections in this back portion of my head and secure each section with an elastic band. If you want to ensure that the sections have the same amount of hair or are even, it's a good practice to make a middle part first and work from there. But do as I say, not as I do. So here's a tip. The width or the size of the horizontal part and the section depends on the size of the braid or protective hairstyle that you're installing. I'm installing small passion twist for this hairstyle, so my separations will be smaller. If you are doing something like a jumbo box braids, then you will probably need to make bigger sections. I will part another row on top of the previous one that I did. I'll use my comb to make the parting as straight as possible. Once the section is straight enough and to my liking, I will go ahead and start putting that row into sections. Then I'll use the middle part in the bottom row to guide me as to where the middle is on the second row. And I will separate my hair or make a section around that middle part. Then I will use an elastic band to secure that section. Once I'm done, I'll move to the right of that part and separate it in half. Then I will secure each section with an elastic band, and then I'll proceed to the left side and do the same. Personally, I like to see parting with continuous rows from the front to the back of the head. Well, I'm not very good at that, and it takes a very long time to do. So I have separated out the front portion of my head, but I do have a little trick to make it look like I'm a pro at continuous lines. Just keep on watching. Now I'll do the next row using the same technique as before, using my finger at the middle section to guide me to where the middle part needs to be. If you look at my separations, it looks like building blocks. That's why this is called the building block method, and it helps with installing your braids so they don't fall right on top of each other when you install. So here's the trick I promised you. When you get to the front side portion of your head, connect the part from the back to the front section, and for every row or other row, a good idea is for you to leave some hair at the ends of the row in the back, so you can attach it to the section at the front, still creating that brick pattern and a continuous look. Okay, that's all from me today, guys. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you would like to know every time I upload, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks again for watching. Love y'all.